No longer my world is crumbled, and I am amazed how the forces in your head can keep you locked in a cage. I collapse while I'm on stage. I say we're 1,000 miles away from bacteriophage. Position is worse than the twilight zone. Plus I'm stranded, and these voices, they won't leave me alone. I'm feeling crazy, manic and depressed. In every sense of the word, you know that I'm a mess. You're a bipolar, psychotic mess. You're so crazy, you should get it tattooed on your chest. To oneself and to all a risk. This was just your wish, so you got it like a fish. First it was Michael, then Whitney, then Prince. But I didn't crumble yet, did not need no assist. But then Satan murdered Chris Cornell, and that was about the time I found myself in hell. But the July day that Chester died happened to be the same day that I lost my mind. Then a sweet girl left me high and dry. Yeah, my head is underwater, but I'm not breathing fine. You're a bipolar, psychotic mess. You're so crazy that you should get it tattooed on your chest. I'm the only one that didn't miss. You know this was your wish, so you got it like a fish. You know what that feels like? Yeah. It's never getting any better from here. We're doomed to die alone. House is never a home. Got scars and I've been stepped on more than a peer. Traumatic memories still take a hold of me. Manic in public, I embarrass myself. Paranoia has me to spend, and so it never ends. I'm glad I missed on that bad October 6th. I've thought about suicide, who am I kidding? I've even tried. Somebody help me through this. Is there anything that I miss? Devil covering my ear. Please alleviate my fear and just tell me where to go from here. Somebody help me through this. Is there anything that I miss? Devil covering my ear. Please alleviate my fear and just tell me where to go from here. And just tell me where to go from here.